Ready? Set, go. Hey everybody, welcome back. Hey, I wanted to talk about this 5-piece toolkit, combo kit. The DCKSS521D2. Now, I don't know if this is a Lowe's exclusive, but I was able to get this for $2.99 from Lowe's, whereas other places have it for $4.99 on the internet. So the main reason I wanted to get it was for the oscillating tool and which is brushless, and the brushless orbital sander. It also came with two 5-amp hour battery packs and a charger, and this great case that's got pockets on the outside and also pockets on the inside with a hard bottom. So that was pretty good. So it came with the brushless drill, the DCD777, the impact drill, the DCF767, and the brushless oscillating tool, and then as a throw-in was the flashlight. Both the oscillating sander and the oscillating tool, or random orbital sander and oscillating tool, both are very light, run very well. Drills are the norm, but I was really trying to save some money and try and get these two main pieces, which I did with this kit. So keep a lookout for the DCKSS521D2. Thank you. All right, so here's the DCS356 oscillating tool. Light, handy, definitely one-handed. I've got an accessory for the sanding to get you into the tight corners. Very lightweight. Here's the DCF787 impact drill. Light, handy. It's got a center lock and very lightweight again. And it came with the clip. Ready? Here's the orbital sander, the DCW210. Again, brushless. Lightweight. I've got the 5-amp hour on here, not bad. Good motion. Multiple speeds with one finger, and good solid contact with easy to replace, felt bottoms.